Good morning, Chad. This is Larry Powell with Circle P Marketing. I don't know if you remember me or not. I am Larry and Holly Powell's son. I've been working in the lead generation industry for about a year now, helping electrical contractors all over the United States help generate leads. Talked to somebody in your main office this morning about sending you over this video. Just kind of wanted to give you guys some pointers on your website here today. So looking at your site, I definitely want to commend you on having a site up. You don't really have a lot of information on this homepage. One thing I did really like about your guys' site is that you guys have these videos of jobs you've done. Video is huge in this day and age when it comes to internet marketing. So having these videos, you're going to get a lot more views off of this. So I definitely love this on your page. But going back to your homepage, adding a little bit more content would definitely help you guys out, kind of beef up this page a little bit. Adding in some of your services that you guys offer on this homepage with links to learn more about these services, but definitely beefing up this homepage and getting more content on here would definitely help you guys out. There was a recent study done by Google where they analyzed over 1 million different websites looking at the top ranked sites, and they found that 1,850 words of content on a website is really the magic number to kind of get you into that top spot. And I'll kind of go over this and compare it to some of your competitors here in just a little bit, but definitely beefing up this content would help you guys out. Looking at Electrician Eugene, Oregon, you guys are currently ranked at 14th. So kind of going over how we're going to get you to that top spot is what my goal is for today. I have this tool. It's called Ahrefs. It's a paid tool. It allows me to kind of dive into the back end of your website and look at what's called backlinks. And backlinks, how I had it explained to me long ago, it's kind of like a high school popularity contest. So you have the cool kid in school that's telling the not so cool kid that he's cool as well, and it kind of brings up the popularity of that kid. So in turn, on the internet, if you have site A that is very popular and ranks well, links to site B, in turn you get what's called backlink juice, and it pulls some of that backlink juice to it, and you get some of that increased rankings to your site. What you're really looking for on these backlinks is that they're do follow. So currently you guys have 8 referring domains with 30 backlinks, and so what you want to look at here is 4 of those are do follow, which what that means is you're getting that backlink juice back from 4 of those domains. So beefing that up, getting some more of those do follow domains would definitely help you guys out with your rankings. Looking at your guys' keywords that you're currently ranking for, Electrician Eugene, Oregon, it gets searched 200 times a month, and this is relatively accurate tool, but 200 is kind of a good estimate there. So if you can get into that top ranked spot, right now Contractors Electric is there, but if you can get into that top ranked spot, you can usually figure on getting about 33% of all search volume. So you have Contractors Electric right here. So looking at Contractors Electric, they don't really have a whole lot going for them on their site. Definitely a little more to this homepage than what you have going on, but still not a lot of content, so it'd be very easy to beat them out in that regard. Looking at their backlinks, they have 43 referring domains, only 24 of those are do follow, so that's definitely a very doable task to pass them up and get that extra link juice, and really jump past them in the rankings. Eugene Electrician Service was the number 2 I had here. By the way, these Home Advisor and 3 Best Rated, seeing those on the homepage is awesome. Those big national sites like that where it's mainly directories, it's actually very easy to get them passed up because Google really favors the small mom and pop shops. So seeing this stuff on here is great news. So you had Doug Palmer here. So Doug Palmer, his site, very, very, very plain Jane in my opinion. Does have a little bit of content on here, but not much. Doesn't have any of the pages really. He has a home, services, and testimonials, but very easy to pass him up as well. Last thing I wanted to talk to you about today is this Google Maps back. Getting your website or your business listed in these is huge. Generally, you only really see these top 3. They're usually always on this first page of Google search. I was kind of curious on this because this Beacon Electric's actually on the second page. One thing I did find is, so it's called citations, is kind of a lot of what this is based off of. And citations is your name, phone number, and address listed anywhere on the web. So that's a big part of it. Then also your organic rankings is a big part of it. So Looking at the citations for the top 3 there, you guys have 55. Builders Electric is at 36. Contractors is at 42. Beacon Electric just has more citations, and that's the only reason why they're able to get into that map pack. But you know, with as much as people are searching from their mobile devices, getting into that map pack where you're able to click to call would be huge for you guys. Definitely recommend, you know, beefing up those citations. That can really help you guys out. And then as you're moving up in your organic rankings, that would help you guys out as well. But going back to your website, recommendation that I have on here, adding in some click-to-call buttons, some contact forms, make it really easy for your customers to get a hold of you guys. Some extra pictures on this homepage, you know, just really make it a little more aesthetically pleasing to potential customers where they're really kind of getting drawn in. Definitely help you guys out. So if you have any questions on this, feel free to reach out. Talk to you soon.